Hello, we continue to take a look at reverse percentage problems. Let's read the example number 3. Mr. Robertson buys a camera with an extended warranty for $456. The extended warranty costs 14% of the price of the camera. How much does Mr. Robertson pay for only the camera? Let's take a look at the problem and always start by analyzing what is given. We know that Mr. Robertson paid $456 for a camera plus warranty. We know that the warranty is 14% of the total cost. The question is, how much did he pay for only the camera? Usually I'd like to put X for the original price. Another way to take a look at it is to say, before Mr. Robertson paid for the camera, its cost was X dollars. What happened? Well, he seems to be a very safe type of person. And after he purchased an insurance policy on the camera, which added 14% to the total list price, he ended up paying at the register $456. My friends, it's important to realize that in this case, the original price, the list price of the camera, is our benchmark. That's your 100%. But Mr. Robertson paid 100 plus 14%. Therefore, $456 is 114%. That is what's given. Let's write it down. $456 is 114%. The problem is asking to find the reverse percentage. We need to find what the original 100% of the cost was, list price. As always, we need to find what is 1%. That's your starting point, step number 1. How do we find 1%? Well, if $456 is 114%, to get to 1%, we need to divide by 114. What we do to the left, or right, we must do to the left. So let's go ahead. 456 divide by 114. 114 goes into 456 4 times. $4 is 14%. Is 1%. If 1% is $4, therefore the discount, the insurance policy, extended warranty, was $4 times 14, which is $56. And therefore, we can find 456 minus 56, and the camera must be $400. That's the list price of the camera, $400. Another way to look at it is to say, we found 1% and that's $4. How do we find 100%? Well, we must multiply 100 times. What we do to the left, we must do to the right. 4 times 100 is $400. The list price of the camera was $400. Notice how we had to work backwards to find the original price. This is what I mean by calling them reverse percentage problems. We do not know the price before, we know the price after. That includes some percentage increase in this case. We need to work backwards. The key is to find 1%.